As you can see, I've got a picture of the field with some sunshine in the background. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the type tool and write my name out. Then I'm just going to press Ctrl and T or Command and T on a Mac to get the free transform and just change the size to your desired effect. And I'm just going to position it where I'm happy and click the press enter. Then the effects button there, I'm going to click drop shadow, and then from there I'm just going to use them settings. Feel free to copy mine. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to right click on the drop shadow effect and press create layer and just click OK to that warning. And what that does, it puts the drop shadow on its own layer. So from I can click edit, transform and start from there. And then I'm just going to use these anchor points and just drag them down like that to try and like basically invert the shadow. And I'm just going to flare out the sides because the sun's in the middle, as you can see in the picture, so the shadow will be flared out like that. And I'm just going to play about with it until I'm happy. Just move it around until I think it looks realistic. And then when I'm happy, I'm just going to click the tick at the top. And then I'm just going to decrease the opacity a little bit. And then I'm going to change the blending mode. Let's have a look. No, let's change it to multiply. I think that looks quite realistic. And there you go. There's your realistic shadow. Like and follow for more.